Okay, here we are. Last week I mentioned that the lid didn't fit quite right on one of these barrels. I noticed something I wanted to point out. This barrel on the bottom, there are four like little nubs here, very, very small. And this barrel, there are not. This barrel, the lid fits. That barrel doesn't. And they actually feel different as well. This one actually feels more solid than the other one. Like it's kind of squishy. I may call Highland Park and ask about that, see if possibly I have a wrong barrel or something like that, because the lid just doesn't seem to fit right. It's been a week. It didn't leak or anything like that, but I may call and just see what they have to say. And by the way, after last week's video, they are Highland Park tumblers, not Johnson Lapidary. I don't know where that brain fart came from. Well, I'm going to start these back up, and I'm going to take those and clean them off, and I will be right back. Okay, here they are. They've been cleaned off. They are smoothing out, but as expected. Ooh, this one, no, close. There's several of these that I think will be ready fairly quickly. I put some oil on the nut of the barrels, and what that did was it put like a mess on my finger when I opened it. This one's ready. Okay. These I think will move pretty quickly. I am considering trying to save up enough to put them in the thumblers, which means I need a good bit. And right now I don't. Right now this is what I have ready to go. So I'm not ready to fill anything up right now. But that's the way it works, and this is only the second week I've been tumbling, so can't really complain. Alright, I doubt that one's ready. Doubt anybody wants to watch me do this for the next 10 minutes, so I will cut it off and come back when we're ready to start them up again for a third week. Okay, after 2 weeks, we haven't made a whole lot. Oop, good gracious, I just dumped a bunch of water on the floor. Okay, well, we haven't made a whole lot of progress. You can see that there. But it is what it is. We'll get there. Just keep tumbling. I did add a few more Bahia agates into the barrel. I'm going to juice it up with some straight 60 and send it on for another week. I'll be back when I have a little more progress to show.